Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In today's Family Hadith Time, we will learn a very much important hadith, inshallah, that will make us protected against any harm. Yes, that Family Hadith Time is very, very much important in our life because Holy Prophet's love and Holy Prophet's instructions love is a part of our Iman. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, the meaning of the hadith is, yes, your Iman cannot become completed unless you love me more than your parents, your kids, everything, your possessions like the mal, everything should be inferior in love as compared to the love of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yes, when we love Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in its true terms, in letter and spirit, then we will have some time for the hadith, for the instructions that our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam gave, and we will try to provide these instructions to guide our family to spend life according to the hadith. And inshallah, when we will have 10 minutes hadith time in family, you will see great benefits of this time, inshallah. In this age of distractions and devil attacks and atheism, this is very much important in our success and in our peaceful development of our family. Let's read the hadith. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and this is reported in the hadith book Sunan Abu Dawud, and Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever recites Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, it will be sufficient for him against every harm. As you know that we are all very much sensitive of the bad time or the harmful time, and we save many things for the tough times. But our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, whoever recites Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, it will be sufficient for him against every harm. So we should believe in it, and we should add it in our daily life to read Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas in our daily life, so that we can get protected against the harms of shaitan and the negative people. And in another hadith, our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, the one who stirs up enmity among people by quoting their words to each other will not enter paradise. Some people they will always make quarrels among people. They sow discord, confusion and harm the relations. वो इधर की बात उधर करते हैं और इधर की बात उधर लगाते हैं. So that is very much bad. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, he will not enter the paradise. Either he is man or woman. Sometimes women are more under attack of shaitan to stir enmity by quoting their words to people, and this is very much negative quality. May Allah Almighty protect us, and may Allah Almighty protect us from the shaitan and his distractions. So we should always be very careful, because our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, he will not or she will not enter the paradise. So the goal of our life is to get success in this world and the world hereafter. And the world hereafter is the success means the paradise. If we will not enter the paradise, it means we are in hell. So we should be very careful. This is very much I think there is something that is called चस्का, बातों का चस्का, जिसको कहते हैं ना, एक की बात दूसरे को जाके बताना और दूसरे की बात पहले को आगे बता देना. तो इससे क्या होता है, फैमिलीज में कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट होती है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट होती है, और फिर ऐसे ज़्यादा बात बढ़ते बढ़ते दूरियां बढ़ जाती हैं. तो ये चीज़ को हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एहतियात करना चाहिए कि हमारे अल्लाह ताला फरमाते हैं, फमन ज़ुहज़िहा अनिन नारी व उदखिलल जन्नत फ़क़द फ़ाज़. तहकीक वो शख्स जिसने जहन्नुम से अपने आप को बचा लिया और जन्नत में इंटर हो गया, तो वो तहकीक कि वो कामयाब हो गया. तो इसलिए जो जन्नत में दाखिल होगा उसके अंदर ये क्वालिटी नहीं होगी. तो वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल इन दिस रिगार्ड, दैट वी शुड नेवर एवर पुट discord and confusion among people by quoting their words. We should be silent, or we should always say good words. Okay, yes. Now I think this is a very much important family lesson. Inshallah, the next is family science time.